Well, good morning everyone. Today we'll start with exercise 3.1, means we're starting with chapter 3, and the chapter 3 is subtraction. Coming to the question number 1 of the exercise, here from this number you have to subtract this number and finally you are getting this as your answer. On my right hand side I have written certain terms. The first is minuend, second one is subtrahend, and third one is difference. This minuend is in front of this number, therefore minuend is that number from which you are subtracting the other number. Means जिस number से आप subtract कर रहे हैं, that number is your minuend. Subtrahend is that number which is getting subtracted. Means subtrahend वो number है जो subtract हो रहा है. So here you can see this number 46,041 is your subtrahend, while 76,286 is your minuend. And whatever the answer that you are getting after the subtraction is your difference. I hope these terms are clear to you now. Now coming to the subtraction, 6 minus 1 will give you 5, 8 minus 4 will give you 4, 2 minus 0 will give you 2, 6 minus 6 will give you 0, and 7 minus 4 will give you 3. Here you can observe that I didn't go for the concept of carry. Now coming to the question number 2, A part. In both these questions there are 3 parts. One part I have done of each, and the rest 2 parts of each of the questions you have to do by yourself. Again, this is your minuend, the number from which you are subtracting. The number which is getting subtracted is your subtrahend, and finally your answer is your difference. Starting with the subtraction, here it is 1 and here it is 4. Can you subtract? Definitely you cannot subtract, because here your minuend is smaller than your subtrahend. Therefore you will have to take the carry. Now before going for this, come to the certain points. The points are, when the number from which we are subtracting the other number, means जब हम जिस नंबर से subtract कर रहे हैं दूसरे नंबर को, तो the number from which we are subtracting is greater than that number. मीन्स जिस नंबर से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो वो नंबर आपका जिस नंबर को आप माइनस कर रहे हो उस नंबर से बड़ा है, देन यू नीड नॉट टू टेक कैरी. तो आपको कैरी नहीं लेना है. मीन्स इफ़ योर minuend is greater than your subtrahend, then you need not to take carry. But if the case is reverse, means when the number from which we are subtracting the given number or the other number, means जो भी दूसरा नंबर दे रखा है उसको आप माइनस कर रहे हो, then the number from which you are subtracting, मतलब when your minuend is less than that number is your subtrahend, you need to take carry. Means in this case what I am trying to say is, when your minuend is less than your subtrahend, then you need to take carry. Third point is, carry always comes in 10 and in sequence. Now what is this term? We will understand through the question. Here your minuend is less than your subtrahend, therefore you need to take carry as per this point. Now when you are taking carry from here to here, here you are taking 1 as the carry, right? But that is not the 1, because you have taken the 10 as the carry from 2, but 2 is lying in the column of tens. So the carry will come as your 10, not 1. However, we usually used to write 1, but it is your 10, right? So 10 plus 1 will give you 11, and 11 minus 4 will give you 7. So carry always comes in 10. Second term was and in sequence. Sequence means, suppose here if it would have been 0, यहाँ पे 2 की जगह अगर 0 होता, then you would not have taken carry from 0. आपको आगे से carry लेना पड़ता. But it doesn't mean आप यहाँ से यहाँ डायरेक्ट carry ले लेंगे. From this value your carry will come to this value, and from this value finally your carry will come to this. You cannot directly take the carry from hundreds to your ones. So it comes always in sequence. Now from here you have given 110, so here will be your 1 only. Now from this 3 again you need to take carry because 1 minus 6 is not possible. So again there will be 10. 10 plus 1 will make 11 again, and 11 minus 6 will give you 5. From here you have taken the carry, so here will be 2. Now 2 minus 3 again not possible, therefore you will have to take the carry from here. So from here again 10 will come, so 10 plus 2 will make you 12, and 12 minus 3 will give you 9. Now here it is 3 because after taking 1 carry 3 is left here. 3 minus 2 is your 1, and 6 minus 5 is your 1. So in this way you have to do the subtraction. That's all for today. The remaining parts means the 4 part of both these questions are to be done by you. Thank you. Have a good day.